Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is reverse seating area. Add a small chair, bench, or even floor cushion. This will create a relaxing space in your garden. You can sit there, drink tea, and enjoy fresh air. It also look very beautiful in video and pictures. Garden path. Make a small path using stone or brick. Yourself, you walk easily in the garden. It also makes your garden look neat and organized. And friends, and viewers, so my next video is friends, viewers, water decoration and a small foundation of water bowl. The sound of water feels calm and peaceful. You can also keep small plants around it. This will create a nature and relaxed environment. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers.